Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel where we make your money make sense to you. Today I have a very good opportunity for you, those of you that are looking for remote work with American Consumer Panels. This particular opportunity is a great job and it actually pays extremely well. If you are looking for a job working from home that pays well with great benefits, this is the right opportunity for you. Let's get into it. For those of you who are wondering about American Consumer Panels, what they do is they're a consulting company that specializes in product testing and product development work. They design and conduct in-home usage testing locally and nationally. Their client list consists of Fisher-Price, Fitbit, Dyson, Toomey, Ray-Ban, KitchenAid, Sony, Kenwood, and Apple, as well as many others. So they're a large company that provide a great service for user testing for many products across the United States and abroad. About the role is for a remote product tester, a product tester from home, which pays $25 to $45 an hour. No experience is required for this role. They ask that you are in the United States and that you're willing to work remotely from the United States. You are guaranteed 15 to 20 hours per week with an hourly pay between $25 and $45 an hour, which depends on the type of project you're on. And they want you to know that there's nothing to buy or pay in order to apply for this particular position. In regards to the main duties, you have to be able to properly document in-home usage tests as instructed. They want you to take care of the product being tested and use it responsibly. So they're going to provide you with some product and they want you to make sure that you take great care of it. They want you to read and follow the in-home usage test schedule provided with each product testing project. They may include tasks such as unpacking, reading instructions, journal entries, online and mobile feedback, as well as usage of product for a certain amount of time and writing reviews and taking pictures. So it could be a myriad of those things. Additionally, they do want some in-home usage test projects, which may require that you use their mobile in-home use test technology, which is a cutting-edge technology using your smartphone. In terms of requirements, they want you to have an excellent ability to follow precise instructions and pay great attention to detail and have a curious spirit. You have to be able to work anywhere from 15 to 20 hours per week if you're part-time. You must have access to a cell phone to take pictures and be honest and reliable. They ask for great communication skills and you must be 18 years of age. If you meet those requirements, by all means, guys, this is a great opportunity for you. This opportunity comes with great benefits. They have competitive pay, as you can see, $25 to $45 an hour, depending on the number of hours as well as the project. You get paid on a weekly basis and you work around your own schedule. The great thing is that you learn about this exciting industry and you can work from anywhere that you like, which is a huge plus. Not to mention, you get to keep some of the items that you're actually testing. So some of the products that you're testing, you get to keep. So that's even a larger plus. Not to mention that you can telecommute from anywhere you like to. Guys, this is a huge opportunity. If you would like to be a paid product tester, then by all means, they are asking for just your email address and they will send you all the pertinent information so that you can get started with the application process. And you can place all the information at the bottom of the website where it says to start your application process, enter your email information. I hope that this has been very helpful for you. Please like, share, and subscribe. Until next time.